Off-road car racing has rapidly transformed in Saudi Arabia, evolving from a niche interest to a vibrant, internationally recognized sport. In just a few short years, the kingdom has emerged as a major hub for world-class motorsports events, drawing attention from enthusiasts and competitors worldwide. This momentum is not only the result of hosting prestigious races, but also reflects Saudi Arabia's ambition to become a leader in sports, innovation, and sustainable development. In January 2025, a historic milestone was achieved when Saudi driver Yazid Al-Raji clinched victory in the Dakar Rally's car category. This win was more than just a personal triumph. It was a moment of national pride, as Al-Raji became the first Saudi to secure the coveted title. His success on the challenging Dakar tracks, renowned for their unforgiving terrain and grueling demands, has inspired a new generation of Saudi racers. It also underscores the nation's rapid progress in motorsports, propelled by visionary leadership and a drive for excellence. April 2025 brought yet another highlight as the city of Alula hosted the Extreme E race. This unique event drew 9 teams and 18 world-class drivers to the heart of the Saudi desert. Extreme E is not just about speed and competition. It is a pioneering series that places environmental awareness and sustainable technology at its core. Racing through Alula's breathtaking landscapes, the teams demonstrated how motorsport can harmonize with nature, utilizing electric SUVs and focusing on minimizing environmental impact. This aligns perfectly with Saudi Arabia's commitment to ecological responsibility and showcases the kingdom's ability to stage forward-thinking, globally significant events. Internationally, off-road racing is undergoing a technological revolution. Hybrid vehicles are increasingly being adopted in rally competitions, offering an optimal blend of performance and fuel efficiency. These advancements are crucial in reducing the carbon footprint of motorsports, marking a shift toward greener, more sustainable racing. The integration of cutting-edge technologies like advanced sensors and artificial intelligence is also reshaping the sport. Teams now rely on real-time data analysis to monitor driver performance, refine strategies, and enhance safety on the tracks. These innovations not only elevate the level of competition, but also ensure the sport's continued relevance in a rapidly changing world. Saudi Arabia's rise as a motorsport destination is not accidental. It is part of a broader vision, Saudi Vision 2030, which seeks to diversify the economy, foster international investment, and enrich the nation's sporting landscape. By hosting major international events and investing in state-of-the-art infrastructure, the kingdom is attracting global attention and establishing itself as a premier location for motorsport enthusiasts. The commitment to sustainability, as seen in events like Extreme E, further enhances the nation's reputation as a forward-looking and responsible host. Looking ahead, the future of off-road car racing in Saudi Arabia appears brighter than ever. Plans are already underway to bring even more world-class competitions to the kingdom, solidifying its status as a mainstay on the global motorsport calendar. This ongoing evolution promises not only thrilling spectacles for fans, but also opportunities for technological development, international collaboration, and cultural exchange. In essence, off-road car racing in Saudi Arabia is about more than just the thrill of the race. It is a symbol of transformation, ambition, and progress, an arena where tradition meets innovation and where the spirit of competition drives both individual and national achievement. As the engines roar and the desert sands fly, Saudi Arabia continues to chart an exciting course at the intersection of sport, technology, and sustainability.